In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Airtable. If you're looking to organize your data more efficiently, creating a dashboard is a fantastic way to visualize information at a glance. Dashboards can help you and your team pinpoint important metrics quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive into the process. First, make sure you have your Airtable ready and open. Once you're in, you'll see the interface option. Navigate to the interface icon and click on it. This will take you to an overview screen where you can manage and design your dashboards and portals. Now, let's move on to setting up a new dashboard. You'll notice a button labeled New Interface visibly on your screen. Go ahead and click that. It might seem like a small step, but it's important because it's the starting point for building your customized dashboard. Clicking New Interface allows you to start with a fresh slate, making it easier to tailor everything to your specific needs. Next, it's time to give your new interface a name. Type in something memorable that reflects what this dashboard will be used for. Maybe it's related to project tracking or team performance metrics. Naming your dashboard clearly can save you time in the future, as it helps to keep your work organized and easily accessible. Once you have entered your desired name, you'll see there's an option to move forward. Click on Next to proceed. This is a straightforward step, but crucial for guiding you towards the customization phase of your dashboard setup. Now you will be prompted with various layout options. You need to select Dashboard from the available choices. This selection determines the template you'll be working with and ensures you have all the necessary components for visual data representation. Dashboards facilitate easy interpretation of data through charts, graphs, and other visual aids. Selecting the correct layout is pivotal as it forms the foundation of your visual board. After you choose the dashboard layout, you'll see the next button once more. Click it. This guides you to the final stages of your dashboard creation. Getting to this point means you're almost ready to personalize and tweak the visual elements of your dashboard. Now comes the easiest part. Click on Finish. By doing this, you're all set to start using your dashboard or customizing it further to better suit your specific requirements. This last step confirms all your selections and finalizes the creation process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dashboard in Airtable. From here, you can start adding widgets, configuring reports, and making edits to perfectly tailor the board to your needs. Following these steps ensures that you have a functional and efficient tool at your fingertips to better manage and visualize your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy dashboarding.